Hi everyone, welcome back. Today it's corn grits for only 8 cents and Indian style. This is the huge bag of corn grits for $15 I got from Sam's. And these are all the ingredients. I have taken corn grits. Corn grits are more like rava, that is the wheat semolina, but it is made of corn. It is the product of corn. So these are the ingredients. I have taken a cup of corn. Along with this, you will need 4 cups of water. So 1:4 proportion of water to corn grits. Then you need salt. Then you will need cumin seeds, black peppercorn, black pepper powder, and curry leaves. These are optional. And then, of course, some butter. This is flavored butter I have. You can take plain butter. Anything is fine. And then you will need your crock pot or slow cooker, or even you can make it stove top. Just boil the water first if you're doing that way. In crock pot, I add all the ingredients. Just dump them all in the crock pot. That's the easiest way. After you put in all the ingredients into the crock pot, what else is left? Just add water. Butter. Yes, butter is delicious. So add all these ingredients, add water, put the lid on and set it on high. I like to set it on high if I'm having it for dinner. It will take around 4 to 5 hours in the slow cooker to cook. If you're doing it on stove pot, it takes only 5 to 15 minutes around that time. That's it. And this is the price breakdown. It's 8 cents per serving, and here you go. Really delicious corn grits for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.